Hi madam, my name is Helprasad. Okay, today we are going to explain about practical exercise 2. Okay, my teammates are SUVEMUN and RUBURN. Okay, first of all we will be looking at access connectivity. All hosts should be able to ping each other and the internet server. Identify which hosts and networks should be further investigated. Troubleshoot any problems that occurred inside the network connectivity. Okay, when we try to ping each and every PC over here earlier, there were some unsuccessful. So we troubleshoot and carry out some investigations and found out that there are several problems in it, and we have listed it here. Okay, first of all, PC5 did not have default gateway, so we added it. We added 10.0.51.254 as the default gateway. After that, southern router. Okay, after that we'll be looking at the southern router. Okay, there were no OSPF 10 which of the network 10.0.41. If we look at here, the screenshot of configurations of the Eastern, we can see here that the 10.0.40 network is not here. So after that we added the network. So we can see that the 10.0.41 network is here. Okay, after that there is also another mistake in southern router. The interface G001 was in shutdown state. So we put the no shutdown command and up the link. Okay, after that we will be looking at this problem which is in the eastern router. Which is before this interface S010 did not have an IP address. Okay, after that we added the IP address in the interface, and right now there is IP address in the interface. We can see here S010. So there is the IP address in the interface. Okay, then the last problem will be in the central router. Okay, before this there were no IP net direction in the interface S010. Okay, after that we added the direction into the interface S010. Yes, we can see here the direction is there, IP net inside in the interface 010. Okay, after doing so, after correcting and doing all these 5 mistakes from what we investigated, we can actually ping each and every PC. So for example, so we can see here the result is successful. So this result is also successful. So this is also successful. Okay, after that we move on to the next one. Access network devices. From the host which have communication problems, use ICMP tools to determine the source of the problem inside the network. From the host, access device in the network and display configurations and operational status. Print screen the result that you have gained. Okay, first of all, we found out there is a router, northern router. Okay, these are the Shura and configurations of the no, northern router. Okay, next we move on to the central router. These are the Shura and commands of the central router. Okay, this is the western router and this is the Shura and command of the western router. Okay, this is the eastern router and the commands. And finally we have southern router. Okay, okay. Using CDP and LLDP, we found out that there are a lot of devices which are routers such as northern router, ISP, western, eastern and southern, and also some switches such as switch B1, switch HQ1, switch B2, switch F1 and many more are in this network. So we have further investigated and listed the IP address, subdomains and default gateway of the devices and its interfaces. Okay, these are the issues that we solved earlier to make it possible for the PCs to ping. Okay, that's all. Thank you.